The design that we wanted to bring to everybody was a way to show the movement of rainwater. How does it move through the garden and the landscape in a way that demonstrates kind of best practices and water efficiency. The rain starts with the downspout, goes into a downspout filter, travels through what would be a dry river bed, designed to kind of look like a water feature. So you have like a little river traveling through the garden. And then it's spilling out onto a hard surface, which is a permeable paver. So the cool thing about the permeable pavers is that they basically look and function just like interlock, any interlock that you would see on a driveway or pathway, but they're designed to allow water to soak right through them. It gives you another way to capture some of that rainwater. So in our garden, we've shown how it can capture a large volume of water in one spot, but it can also capture water that's just traveling down the surface, such as a driveway or a walkway. When it hits the permeable paver, it can sink down and either be absorbed into the water table or again conveyed somewhere else for storage and reuse later. Canada Blooms, being tied to the National Home Show, you're getting a chance to showcase work that otherwise might be sort of trapped in a customer's backyard that not a lot of people can see and hear and touch. Pictures are great, but it's always a different type of experience to actually walk through somebody's backyard, through their garden, and see what it's like and what it would be like for them in their own property. It gives you a chance to be there also and speak and engage with the public and, you know, sort of explain to them what you do and what sets you apart from other people. It's a great opportunity to get really creative because sometimes we get a chance to design and build our feature gardens that may not be on a customer's wish list. They don't know that they want it until they see it. And even if they don't want it, it still gives us a chance to have some fun and just do some crazy things that might not necessarily work in everyone's property, but when you can just when you have a blank slate like this, you can sort of let your imagination run wild.
To connect with a Landscape Ontario professional, please visit landscapeontario.com.